Vice President Konstantino Chiwenga has once again found himself at the center of a political debate, accused by critics of harboring ambitions of power. Yet such claims collapse under scrutiny, as his record consistently reflects a man devoted not to self-interest, but to the pursuit of a better Zimbabwe. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ine achinokunzi Chiwenga's true mission to fight corruption, not seizing power. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Recent reports suggest that Chiwenga has raised concerns about corruption, not directly with President Mnangagwa, but within internal party structures. Far from being a sign of disloyalty, this demonstrates his discipline and commitment to addressing problems through proper channels. He did not grandstand before the media for personal glory. Instead, he chose to confront the issue where it mattered most, inside the ruling party. If Chiwenga were truly power hungry, history offered him countless opportunities to seize authority. During Operation Restore Legacy in 2017, it was Chiwenga who intervened to stabilize the country and who reached out to Mnangagwa when circumstances forced him temporarily into exile. That is not the conduct of a schemer, but of a loyal comrade devoted to national unity. Critics such as Christopher Muchangwa and Temba Muliswa have tried to trivialize corruption by suggesting that those making allegations should simply go and report the police to ordinary Zimbabweans and struggling civil servants. Such remarks ring hollow. How can the police act against individuals who enjoy impunity, fly abroad the presidential jet, and flaunt ill-gotten wealth in a country where honest citizens are limited to meagre weekly bank withdrawals? Corruption in Zimbabwe is more than a political embarrassment. It is a national security threat. Allowing those implicated to hide behind their proximity to power is a betrayal of the people. To dismiss Chiwenga's call for accountability as personal ambition is to misread the moment. Chiwenga's history speaks for itself. As a liberation fighter and a soldier, he placed the nation above personal gains. Unlike some who fled during the liberation struggle, his loyalty has never wavered. When detractors battle him as not a superstar, they overlook his true stature. A man who has defended Zimbabwe on the battlefield and now seeks to defend it from the cancer of corruption. The Vice President has made it clear that he is not hungry for power. The only hunger he has ever expressed is to see a better Zimbabwe, one where corruption is uprooted, resources are directed to the people, and the legacy of the liberation struggle honored through service and integrity. General Konstantino Chiwenga, his true mission is to fight corruption. Panguva ine kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ive corruption free, not mahambering or seizing power. Tudzei mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chetomba bell icon.